We're going to try and create a pendulum to see how gravity and force can alter a painting. So we're going to try and string it up here and see what happens.
Time for a montage. Montage!
I can't believe that worked. It was awesome. I actually want to try it again to see if I get different results by maybe throwing it at a different angle. So I've set it up slightly different color, and we're going to just see what happens. It looks so cool. And it's so different. Look how different the yellow pattern is as opposed to the gold one. I threw it at a much wider angle to see how what difference it would make. And obviously it's a pretty big difference. so cool.
I had a lot of fun with this experiment. It took me a long time to set up, a lot of different, things I had to go through and change and adjust and fix. But in the end, I had some really crazy results. Like, neither of the experiments turned out even remotely similar to one another. And it was all just because I threw it at a slightly different angle. So it's insane how something so small can alter something visually so drastically. It really makes me want to do it some more and try it even more ways and just see what happens. I would love to see any pendulums or experiments that you create. And I look forward to learning more with Steve.